The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. Jesus departed to the mountains to pray, and he spent the night in prayer to God. When day came, he called his disciples to himself, and from them he chose 12, whom he also named apostles: Simon, whom he named Peter, and his brother Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James the son of Alphaeus, Simon who was called the Zealot, and Judas the son of James, and Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. And he came down with them and stood on a stretch of level ground. A great crowd of his disciples and a large number of the people from all Judea and Jerusalem and the coastal region of Tyre and Sidon came to hear him and to be healed of their diseases. And even those who were tormented by unclean spirits were cured. Everyone in the crowd sought to touch him, because power came forth from him and healed them all. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. And Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. Wow. Brothers and sisters, this is one part of the Gospel o Ebanghelyo na marami ang nag-speculate. Why? Because if you hear it very well, Jesus prayed all night in prayer to God in order to choose his apostles. Diba? And then when he chose the apostles, what happened? He still chose Judas. No? Have you ever wondered o mangutana sa imong kaugalingon or magtanong sa inyong sarili, bakit nagampo naman si Lord at bakit di-appeal pa niya, pinili pa rin niya si Judas? No? Of course, knowing that this man will be the one who will betray him. Alam nyo, we have many answers to that, but some of it is true and correct. But I think, in my own reflection, I think tatlo ug duha to reason. First of all, in choosing, you have to risk. Diba? Pag pumili ka ng isang tao, isang bagay, you have to prepare yourself to accept the consequence of your choice. Diba? Jesus knew Judas, and yet he still chose him. Because in choosing him, perhaps he will be converted. Perhaps give him a chance. Same thing with us. When we choose, we should know that if you choose that person, that thing, that place, that word, we have to know the consequence of our decision, the consequence of our choice. But on the other hand, being chosen is a blessing. Secondly, kitang tanan, you and me, we are a blessing. Why? Because sa dinami-dami ng mabubuo doon sa womb, sinapupunan, sabi pa nga sa Italian, grembo, no, ng atong inahan, sa ating mga nanay, God chose you to be the one na sabi nga, nangisilang ka sa mundong ito, naging tuwa ng magulang mo. Ano ba? God chose you. No? From all those, sabi nga sa science, sperm cell and egg cell that will be produced in your mother's womb, God chose you. That's why you are a blessing. No? Because that choice is a big decision. Of course, from the part of God also. Kaya nga, that is also a reason for us not to be discouraged, not to be depressed. No matter how many problems we have, because God chose us. We are a blessing. No? And thirdly, of course, you can have many reflection on this. I will just give you 3 kasi baka nagtitingin na si Mother sa orasan. Joke lang. The third is that our choices is not who we really are totally. No? Yung ating mga pagpili, may it be a good choice or bad choice, that's only part of who we are. We should not judge a person easily of the wrong choices he made or she made. No? All of us, ito magandang reflection eh. Jesus did this in order to show us also that bad choices, bad decision, are normal to a person, a human person. Kitang tanan, no? Of course, si Jesus, exemption, no? But all of us, kinsa ba dire ang hindi nagkaroon ng maling pagpili, maling decision? Huwag mo sasabihin, sister, na yung iyong banaw. No? All of us make bad choices. All of us make good choices. But it is only part of who we are. And sabi nga, those choices, may it be good and bad, teaches us. Di ba? Ang importante, whether we make bad choice o maling pagpili, we do not run from it. Hindi tayo lumalayo o binabaliwala, ay wala na yun. No. That's the bad thing to do. When we make bad choices, accept it and learn from it. Yan ang importante. Accept our bad choice and learn from that choice. Because it might be that God will permit it, baka pinermit ni Lord yun para turuan ka, tudluan ka. And that is always the majority of the case. God permit it. That you and me may learn from our bad choices. And it will help us, first of all, to be humble. Maging mapagpakumbaba. To humble ourselves. And do not think of ourselves as perfect. Kaya nga, God permit it that we make bad choices in order to humble us and to depend on Him. Magtiwala sa Kanya. Kasi minsan, akala natin, alam ko na yan. Na-calculate ko na, di ba? Naiplano ko na ganito. And then, pag bagsak. Mali. God permit it so that you may not trust too much on your own strength and wisdom and intelligence. No? God willed it so that you may know that you are still creature. No? Kaya nga, when we make bad choices, no, we should, yung ibang mga saint nga, no, they are happy. No? Kita niyo ang kabaliktaran, no? When the saint, I think Saint John Bosco or no, Saint John Birchman, no, when they make bad choices, they just smile and said, "Ah, that's me. Thank you, Lord, for teaching me." No, that's normal that we make. What is important is that we learn from those choices, and Jesus, no, showed it to us, no, not because he make mistakes, no, but in Saint Luke, in presenting this scenario, no, want us that, no, to teach us that, no, Jesus has a plan in some of our bad mistakes, no. May plano si Lord kung bakit nangyari yon, no. Just like when he chose Judas, God has a plan for him. No, we do not know, no, because God is omnipotent. But what we know in fact is that in making choices, whether it be good or bad, let us see that it is all in the, sabi nga, God's providential plan. No? Sa plano ni Lord yun. We are in the plan of God. So brothers and sisters, as we continue this Holy Mass, let us ask Saint Anthony and even karon pala rin yun, Saint Nicholas of Tolentino, no? Wala lang ang tayong proper, no? To help us, no? To learn from our bad choices and not to be discouraged, no? That we made bad choices, because it is part of our being a human. What is important is that we trust God. We trust our Blessed Mother. Praise be Jesus and Mary.